Here I've got Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus, and let me show you how to activate user manual on the following device. So at first make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi. And let me connect with mine. Then you have to open the settings. Meanwhile, it will be connected. Scroll down, and here you have to click on Tips and User Manual. And smoothly by tapping on the User Manual, you can come along with all details that you would like to gain some more info about. So just give it a second. And here it is. So as you can see, you've just accessed User Manual. And for example, if you would like to know something from basic options, basic features, just scroll the basics and pick the one that you would like to get some info about. So let me pick, for example, notification panel. And here you've got all details, the instruction how to personalize it and what which button means. So here it is. Then let me go back. Then you can gain some info about apps and features, settings and appendix. So for example, let me pick device care. And here you've got detailed info regarding device care options. If you'll click here, you'll be able to open further information. So this is it. This is how you can know your device more, how you can gain some knowledge. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.